peanut butter robin's eggs for Easter. I have my butter and my peanut butter here. Now it is 1 cup of peanut butter and this is 16 ounces, so I just need half of this container of peanut butter. And then powdered sugar. Now I may need more than the 2 cups of powdered sugar to form the eggs. There's a little over 1. And, oops. Okay, we're just gonna go with that. About 2.5 cups of sugar. Then a small amount of oops, or a lot amount of vanilla. Wow, there's a lot of oopses in this video. Oh, I can't wait for the comments. This will just be so great. Okay, now, here we go. We're gonna beat all this together. All right, now, as you can tell, this is not an exact science, and it's not gonna hold its shape. Okay. It's a titch more powdered sugar so it'll hold its shape a little bit better. Okay, there we go. Now I know that's gonna hold together. Let me get my tray. All right, I have this left over from the other candy I was making. I'm gonna throw on my gloves just because it doesn't stick as well to my gloves. And we are going to make this into little robin's eggs. This recipe is in my Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 1 on page 336 and 337. You can take a picture right here, or take a picture of the QR code and follow the link to our website, livingonadime.com, or click the recipe in the description below. Oh yeah, that's gonna be perfect. Okay, now I'm just doing this to get the measurement. I'm gonna go in and make the balls, make the egg shapes. So then, I'm going to make it into a ball, and then see if we can make the tip a little bit of an egg shape. Does that look like an egg shape? I think it does. Okay, I'm gonna roll all these, and then we're gonna throw these in the freezer. Okay, I got them all rolled. Now we're gonna put them in the freezer for probably an hour. I have my blue candy melts here, and I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. You can see just burning. Gotta melt it just about 20 more seconds. All right, this blue is not melting as smoothly as the other ones. I don't know why, but we're gonna give this a try and see what happens. Okay, frozen, and let it drip. Ooh, nice. Okay, we're gonna go let these set up and then we'll decorate them. A little bit of water and cocoa powder. We'll see if we can get this to work. So I'm mixing the water and the cocoa powder. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Then a clean brush here, going to just flick. Flicking's not working very well. Yeah, sort of. Okay, gonna let those dry, and then we'll come back and cut them. Ah, that looks pretty good. Might have that one that got a little too much. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, my goodness. The things that the Pinterest comes up with. Pretty funny. Right, here they are finished. Oh boy, yum. All right, so then cut off all the extra. Okay, that is pretty darn toot and cute. I have to say I love them.